Every second, billions of devices exchange information. Cybersecurity protects these digital systems and keeps our connected world safe. A digital system combines hardware, software, and data. Every component must work together while staying protected from threats. Cyber attackers search for weak points, such as poor passwords, outdated systems, and unsafe connections. Strong passwords create stronger protection by using complexity and multiple layers of security. A firewall works like a security gate. It checks incoming information and blocks dangerous activity before it reaches the system. Antivirus systems, they detect harmful programs and remove digital threats before they cause damage. Encryption transforms information into secret code, allowing only authorized users with the correct key to access the data. Cloud systems store massive amounts of information. Multiple security layers protect this data from unauthorized access. Cybersecurity teams constantly monitor networks. They detect suspicious activity and defend systems from digital attacks. Authentication verifies who users are and ensures only authorized people can access important digital systems. Future cybersecurity systems will use artificial intelligence to detect threats faster and create smarter digital protection. Cybersecurity protects the systems that connect our world. Understanding these technologies helps us create a safer digital future.